Respected judges, penalties, and fellow participants, we are Team AZURE PACT, second year electrical engineering students from Parala Maharaja Engineering College. Our problem statement is blockchain based blue carbon registry and MRV system under the theme Clean and Green Technology. Blue carbon ecosystems, mangroves, tidal marshes, seagrasses are nature's most powerful carbon sinks. Yet today, their contribution is undervalued, undermonitored, and poorly integrated into carbon markets. Our solution? Aquacred. It's India's first ever blockchain based blue carbon platform designed to make every credit transparent, verifiable, and beneficial to the communities that protects our coast. In short, this is not just a platform, it's a pact between people, planet, and technology.
So coming to the current problems in the blue carbon ecosystem, first there is no decentralized system, second is lack of verification, no transparency, data inaccuracy, inefficient carbon credits. For these problems we are introducing Aquacred, India's first blockchain based blue carbon MRV and registry system. So how our solution Aquacred addresses these problems? First is community data capture where panchayats, NGOs and local communities upload geotagged plantation data and photos. Second is smart contract automation where the contacts and tokenized carbon credits are automatically converted into NFTs, which will ensure speed, trust and accuracy. Third is data validation and verification where the current MRV system is very slow. We are using AI plus satellite and drones to validate these plantations, and after these data is captured, it is stored on blockchain tamper proof, which is visible to all the stakeholders. Lastly, the direct value flow where the revenue from our credit sales goes back to the communities and panchayats who are protecting these ecosystems. Coming to the app, we have a primary dashboard, a 3D map view and special features, real-time event verification and MRV verification using blockchain. So what is our innovation is the blockchain based MRV system and the real-time event verification and the 3D map view which uses satellites and Google Earth engine. Now coming to novelty is it has tokenization, decentralization, MRV system, AI based modulation and visualization, community plus blockchain plus AI anomaly detection, automated MRV report generation and scalable and open infrastructure. Now coming to the technical part, the stacks we have used are Next.js plus Mapbox as front end for interactive and user friendly interface. We have used Fast API plus PostGIS for backend, and we have used Google Earth Engine for automated monitoring and reporting as AI ML. And as for blockchain, we have used Solidity, CIDS hard hat, and interplanetary file system for all the tamper-proof data and storage of data. For infrastructure, we have used Docker and Docker Compose, which will be secure and future ready. These hexagonal layers are the workflow layers which can be added in the future, which is not currently present but is a scalable approach for our app. This is how the community layer works, which includes site crawler analysis, front end, APIs, MRV verification, workflow, AI automation, smart contracts, operational layer, backend, and security. This is the methodology by which our app works, and this contains the working of our app. Please check it out if you can. I will just show a small demo for the app. So this is our app where this is the company registration page, and this is where the companies register. This is the dashboard where carbon credit data is stored, and this is the digital wallet system where all the companies data is shown about how many carbon credits they are using or have used. So now coming to the feasibility and viability part, why this app works, it is because of the rising carbon market demand, the trust through blockchain plus MRV, the community first participation process, and the future ready tech stack which we have developed. But as this problem is new for us and the solution is also coming, what are the key risks and challenges which can be involved? First is data accuracy, where communities might over report plantation areas, adoption barriers can come, verification complexity, where the images cannot differentiate between mangroves and other trees, and 4 is regulatory uncertainty, where the market is an evolving market. The sudden policy shift can be a little delayed process, for which we have some solutions, which is the AI driven satellite MRV, the capacity building and incentives, the institutional partnerships where we can collaborate with NGOs, and the adaptive system architecture where we can design and flexible molecular platform capable of aligning with evolving carbon market policies. Now, this map shows the amount of mangrove forest located over the world. In India, we have the Sundarbans. This graph shows the rise of the carbon credit price over the years from 2020 and estimated for 2050. This shows the increment of the growth rate of carbon credit market, which is 39.4% CAGR for 2030, which is actually a lot. And this is how the carbon credit market is transferred. Now, coming to market analysis, what were the statistics? In 2023, there was $2 billion carbon credit market, and it is estimated to be around 250 billion plus dollars, which is actually a lot. Now, coming to the target and gap, our users are mostly gonna be NGOs, coastal communities, corporates, and government agencies. And our opportunity is the early mover advantage, as we are India's first blockchain based platform. Profit model will be on commissions for carbon credit tokenization, subscription fees for NGOs, paid MRV services, and a 5-year analysis which we have made around $5 to $10 million of annual revenue by these revenue streams.
Aquacred delivers impact on various levels, like local communities and NGOs, which empower to register and showcase efforts globally, improve livelihoods, and better access to fundings and recognition of their climatic contribution, like government and regulators, reliable MRV data, simplified compliance tracking, and support for national carbon registries and alignment with the global climatic commitments, assurance for donors, confidence that fund verified supports impact driven restoration projects with transparent report and traceability. Carbon credit buyers and corporates. These are transparent, verifiable credits for ESG, net zero goals, improved investor confidence, and measurable sustainability reporting. On researching and environmentalist, open dataset for long-term studies, integration with Earth's observation data, improved climatic modeling, and enhanced collaboration opportunities. For international collaboration, it strengthens India's role in global blue carbon markets and knowledge sharing platforms. Some of the benefits are environmental, social, and economic. Environmental, it promotes mangrove restoration projects, diversity, and strengthens coastal resilience against flood, cyclone, and erosion. Social, it empowers coastal communities and panchayats with direct revenue and verified credits, creates new jobs, and build awareness at grassroots. Economic, it generates high quality carbon credits that attracts global green investors, strengthens India's carbon trade position, opens new revenue streams through a scalable SaaS model. In simple words, Aquacred is a win for environment, a win for people, and a win for economy. Altogether, to ensure the accuracy, credibility, and depth of Aquacred, we have referred to multiple pioneering research papers and studies in blockchain, carbon markets, IoT, and environmental monitoring, like Journal of Environmental Management, Marine Policy, Energy, Ocean and Coastal Management, Renewable Energy Reports, Biosensors and Bioelectronics, Journal of Cleaner Productions, Blockchain and Carbon Credits, IoT, and MRV Systems, Advanced Verification in AI, Machine Learning, Opportunities and approaches for reliable verification and optimization of carbon projects, and many more. By leveraging this diverse and advanced research insight, Aquacred is not just a platform, it's a carefully researched movement towards a sustainable and greener future. Thank you for watching, and we invite you to be a part of this journey towards impactful environmental action. Thank you.